Okay, welcome back again. And they're saying this girl is a scammer. I don't know. I blocked her. I don't know why. You never know if she is though. You know, because she left. Of course. So she probably is. See you. See you to. Yeah. So. There's a faker again. Huh? Cool. There's like another fman faker at cool. I'll show you. Oh, she left. Or he, she, I don't know. So there's no one in here yet. Wait, I'll check this girl. Cool.
Gotta love it. Anytime you see the horses up close like this, and they're beautiful creatures. See, it surprises. Not only the theme of this float, but it also describes SeaWorld's 50th birthday.
Let's see if they have anyone here.
Yeah.
We
go up and down.
Cool.
Or San Antonio. Interactive experiences, shows, and up-close animal encounters. This prizes the winner of the President's Award for the most effective floral use and presentation. Those friendly dolphins you see.
Okay. Well, no one there. Let's just like restore it. Because last night I saw like a whole group of like fakies. Or fakers, fake bitch, fake bitch. Alden, another one. So there's two Aldens. Alright, I'm gonna go. What's over here? No one here? Okay. But seriously, guys, there was. Because people say they're like talking. Where is he? There's like a whole gang of them. I don't know why it's. I don't know what they're doing. Pretty girl 005. She is? What? What about her?
Each musician here wears a traditional military uniform. The dancers' costumes are Panamanian folklore and culture oriented, and the director, Irving Bernal, is only 24 years old.
Oh.
Scott Jenkins,
Who's that?
City, this year's Truman versus President.
Dre.
They've been accepted, and the host put on a party for them when they got there, complete with fireworks. Quite a wonderful group.
Here's a scammer! Yeah! Oh, sorry, I'm sick. Yeah, you can definitely tell she's a scammer.
We're so glad to have them first time here. A whole bunch of musicians never been here before. Banda de Musica from Canada.
Well, happy New Year, everybody. 2014. Bob Eubanks, Stephanie Edwards. On a beautiful day in Southern California. It's going to be about 75 degrees. You know what? I miss Disney. Yeah, Disney's not in the parade this year.
Oh my god.
I'm taking a little break.
But I miss them because they always have such fun.
New Year's upon us.
Disney's not in it, I wonder why that is.
Drake. go back.
That's kind of unusual. You think they would
Oh my
do that?
god, see, I told you guys. Okay, I told you. I've been telling you there's a virus again. And his slash her or whatever is 123 Man is back. And also, see, what was it called? There's like a lot of fakers, but there's like one important one, or the real one. Recycled beers. That was it. That guy. He is the guy.
Stopping decreases your risk of stroke. Ask your doctor if you need to stop Pradaxa before surgery or medical or dental procedure. Pradaxa can cause
Yeah.
fatal bleeding. Don't take Pradaxa if you have abnormal bleeding or
Do I have a good?
seek immediate medical care for unexpected severe bleeding like unusual bruising. Pradaxa may increase your bleeding risk if you're 75 or older, have a bleeding condition or stomach ulcers, take aspirin, NSAIDs, or blood thinners, or if you have kidney problems, especially if you take certain medicines. Tell your doctors about all medicines you take. Pradaxa's side effects include indigestion, stomach pain, upset, or vomiting. If you or someone you love has AFib not caused by a heart valve problem, ask your doctor about reducing the risk of stroke with Pradaxa.
Remember when you thought anything was possible? It still is. You can do Weight Watchers' new Simple Start plan entirely online or on that magic phone of yours. It's a 2-week plan to start losing weight right away. Join for free. Weight Watchers online. Log into your new beginning today.
That mess, with a mind of its own, let's pack it and stack it. Then let's ask ourselves, why did we do this? Let's do this. More saving or doing. That's the
I
power
do not
of
have the
both.
freedom.
20 gallon totes now just
Thing I
$5.
do have that.
Your body soft baked
And I
oatmeal.
do have the really.
Hearty oatmeal. Soft
Yay.
with a drizzle of cinnamon.
Ha ha ha
It's a soft take on a morning classic. Soft baked oatmeal squares from Nature Valley.
Keto CoQ10 is vital to your body's energy production. It's essential to our health. It absorbs
Really fair,
300%
right?
better.
Ooh, let's get back in.
Is the better CoQ10.
I will give you the
Keto,
sword
the
that you
gold
can
standard
wear.
in
Ha
CoQ10.
ha ha. Because I like lost all mine. Please accept. Come on. I need that wings. I don't have any. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You have to be strong and don't give up. Attitude
I
is
do.
everything. You have to fight.
I think.
Imagine your doctor tells you your child has cancer with only months to live. Where would you go? What would you do? Who would you turn to? Fortunately, St. Jude Children's Research Hospital is fighting every day to save children's lives. And with a gift of just $19 a month, you can join the fight.
This is my kid that they're giving back to me. I am so grateful.
At St. Jude, no
Wait.
family ever receives a bill. In fact, no family
I have
receives you for
the
anything. That's why
Mac
your gift of $19
wings.
a month, just 60
I have the Mac
cents
wings.
a day, is so important.
You want them?
I'm
Oh.
gonna lose my
Oh.
son.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
They gave me hope. You are not only saving a child's life,
I just.
you're breathing life.
You there?
If I had my
I'm just
choice,
trying
I wouldn't
to.
have this thought. St. Jude's life-saving research and treatment
I'll
is
give
free
her.
with hospitals paying.
I'll give her 2 pairs. I don't need them. Yay.
Maybe in the future, kids won't have to go through this. We'll
I'm
get
getting
it all will be okay.
Please call and become a St.
I have like a bad cold right now. I don't know how it got to. It's gonna take forever, right?
Attention surgery patients. Was your surgery performed using a robotic surgical system? Certain robotic systems
Beta Adventures. And someone said I'm like copying their look. I'm not. I just like, and she's my friend. She's like, duh, 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 duh. Oh, where's her? Whoa, my friend. ID. No, I'm not gonna try.
Hey, PT. Get better than you ate up, do you? Huh?
It's a new original series. I'm over the past and teacher here that celebrates the light of hope.
All I know is I would be flattered to have someone going to extra lengths to watch over me.
The power of love.
Just as self-love.
Okay.
Jealousy.
And the strength of heart.
Haven't been in Cold Valley very long, but this town changes you.
Lori Loughlin and Aaron Crago. What calls the heart? Series premiere Saturday, January 11th at 9 on Hallmark Channel. The heart of TV. Okay, eHarmony. They call it everlasting love. We're in for a treat here. One of our favorite performers is Natalie Cole. And she's headlined the eHarmony Club Everlasting Love. Since 2000, the eHarmony website has been matching couples together in hopes of finding their own everlasting love. Maybe we can get Natalie to sing for us.
She's waiting for a cue.
The first time I saw Natalie Cole, when we had the Beaver House in 1964, she was standing in line, waiting to buy a ticket. I said, "Well, let me help you."
Shellfish. Yeah.
Legend.
No. Oh, wait. Happy face. Yay.
Everlasting Love, by the way, is first song that eHarmony, I think, has used since its inception.
And there's a Norton Simon Museum, a sign across the road. They're always there.
Cool. I got another one. Yeah, but guys, I think that's it for this episode, or whatever I was doing. So,